we're always exploring. What is the value of life? By focusing on creating the best user experience, by ensuring the whole life cycle is achieved, HIR Biomedical is constantly evolving with new technology in the support of life science with the creation of the IoT Biomedical Technology Ecosystem brand. The HIR Group is the world-leading provider of solutions to beautiful life. To date, HIR has established 10 major R&D centers, 35 industrial parks, 138 manufacturing facilities, and 108 marketing centers globally. The HIR Group owns a number of smart appliance brands, including HIR, Casate, GEA, Fisher & Paykel, Aqua, Leader, Candy, and IoT service brands such as RRS, HIR Consumer Finance, Cosmoplat, and Shunguang. 2022, the HIR Group was the only IoT ecosystem brand in Brand Z list, brand value $35.152 billion. HIR always upholds the principle of prioritizing people's value by adhering to the 3-in-1 development ideas of global R&D, global manufacturing, and global marketing. The HIR Group has initiatively created the Rendan Heili management model in the IoT era. HIR's ecosystem brand and HIR's model are leading the world. Over the past few decades, HIR Biomedical has continuously been investing in cryogenic storage innovations of biotechnology. Progress in Science and Technology of China, the second class. It has 909 patents, more than 20 international leading technologies, and 40 American Energy Star certifications. It has also led the drafting of 17 national industrial standards and 1 WHO international standard. HIR Biomedical has a number of product families, including ULT freezers, biomedical freezers, blood bank refrigerators, pharmacy refrigerators, vaccine refrigerators, biosafety cabinets, clean benches, liquid nitrogen containers, plasma apheresis system, and laboratory equipment, to name but a few, and leads the world in biomedical cryogenic storage. Through combining its independently developed two-stage cascade and auto-cascade refrigeration systems with hydrocarbon frequency conversion refrigeration and other core technologies, HIR Biomedical has achieved the full temperature range from -196 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, and complete product and solution coverage. HIR Biomedical independently developed Solar Direct Drive Vaccine Refrigerator has subverted the conventional battery electricity storage method. Despite power shortages in Africa and other regions, HIR Biomedical's vaccine refrigerators can guarantee the safe and secure storage of vaccines for children, even during a power outage for up to 120 hours, which makes it the first brand in China that has passed the WHO PQS certification. Relying on innovative technologies, HIR Biomedical consistently provides support for aerospace, marine scientific research, and other national major strategic projects. To date, we have also delivered products to more than 135 countries and regions, such as North and South America, Europe, Africa, and Asia Pacific. HIR Biomedical's responsibility and concern benefits everyone along the Belt and Road to achieve the leap from domestic coverage to global expansion. Based on IoT blood refrigerators and other networked appliances, the U-Blood experiential ecosystem has linked blood collection, emergency blood use, surgical blood use, and other scenarios together. We have upgraded the traditional one-way centralized physical blood supply mode to the initiative two-way distributed data sharing mode, ensuring zero waiting for first aid, zero waste of blood, and zero distance of information, and creating both economic value and life value. Based on smart vaccine inoculation refrigerators and other networked appliances, the U-Vaccine experiential ecosystem has linked the vaccination entrance, exit, and other scenarios together, ensuring the last kilometer traceability of the vaccines, preventing problem vaccines from entering and incorrect vaccines from being taken out, matching the person to the vaccines, and making them transparent and visible. Based on IoT, ULT freezers and other networked appliances, the U-Biobank experiential ecosystem has linked sample collection, storage, application and other scenarios together, creating a cloud network system, enabling accurate sample positioning, one-key access, information traceability, On October 25, 2019, Haier Biomedical announced its listing on the Science and Technology Innovation Board of Shanghai Stock Exchange officially, relying on its IoT science and technology ecosystem model. The Haier Biomedical IoT factory was fully put into use at the beginning of 2020. It is the world's largest R&D and manufacturing base for low-temperature cold chain and biosafety industries. It is also the first industrial base that has applied the industrial internet model. Its 5 production lines, utilizing the IoT intelligent production and manufacturing of U-Biobank, U-Vaccine, U-Blood, U-Reagent, and biosafety, as well as CO2 incubator, centrifuge, and other solutions respectively, thus building an IoT factory system featuring on-demand design, on-demand manufacturing, and on-demand distribution, and making the whole manufacturing process highly flexible to meet the customer's personalized customization needs. AGV logistics channels. Customer order process can be queried. Manufacturing information can be traced. Full LBA foaming system. Visual SPC quality management system. Independent research and development of vacuumed and pressure holding area, and using IoT big data in the factory for management of plant material general assembly. The Haier Biomedical R&D Experimental Big Data Center is a vital link in the company's efforts in technology research and development. All new products must be tested and verified at the center, and only after the highest of standards and quality have been met and approved by the laboratory can the products be mass-produced in the factory. The center currently operates 18 laboratories focused on product performance, safety, electromagnetic compatibility, transportation, reliability, and quality user experience respectively. The center is capable of testing a full range of products for vaccines, blood, biological samples and reagents within the temperature zone of -196 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, including cold chains, biological safety cabinets, and CO2 incubators in accordance with industry, national and international standards. Additionally, it has successively passed the American UL Energy Star, America UL, and Europe CE Witness Laboratory Qualification certifications during 2020. Our 4 scientific and technological achievements have included, but are not limited to, the following: the Smart Blood Network and the Smart Vaccine Network, both having been rated as the world's leading solutions in this category. At Haier Biomedical, we have been working towards and reaching commanding heights of biomedical technologies. We are constantly evolving as needed to meet the latest global requirements in biosafety. By having this important and significant focus on improving global health, we continuously promote the need for the upgrade of public health in the biosafety industry sector. Through the Cosmo LIMS IoT Management System test, which includes order management, equipment management, standard management, and quality issue closed-loop management is achieved. This process forms a complete set of experimental management system for products, which achieves the traceability of experimental information, improves the management of product design quality issues, and promotes product quality improvements under the drive of the IoT technology. As a practitioner of the Internet Factory upgrading of the group's Cosmoplat platform, Hyar Biomedical has walked down a road of creating an independent brand. From independent innovation to independent R&D and independent manufacturing of products. As the road is long, we will keep exploring and leading the industry in R&D and innovation to support health systems all across the world. In the face of the outbreak of COVID-19, Hyar Biomedical has taken the lead in donating medical equipment to core areas of epidemic prevention, demonstrating its sense of corporate responsibility and leadership as a world-class national enterprise. As the company's IoT strategy continues to be further driven, Hyar Biomedical is focusing on two major areas of life science and medical innovation and is actively upgrading the layout of its ecological strategy to inject new vitality into the medical digital service ecosystem. Hyar Biomedical's Chengdu liquid nitrogen container manufacturing facility is the global development and manufacturing base for our liquid nitrogen container products and liquid nitrogen application equipment. With 2 production workshops, 18 production processes, and 6 product lines, the products have been distributed to date to more than 130 countries and regions worldwide. This global platform serves numerous scientific research and medical institutions at home and abroad. The team engages in creating the world's best liquid nitrogen container after-sales service network and perfecting the global network layout, and are determined to build and be the world's largest liquid nitrogen container manufacturing service provider. In 2020, Hyar Biomedical acquired the Chongqing Sandawei company to build the eco-brand of the blood component safety management solution, Hyar Hematology, which is based on the 3 ecological scenarios of blood component separation, blood storage and transfer, and blood treatment, empowering healthcare with intelligence and opening a new chapter in the application of blood safety technology. In order to accelerate the extension of smart laboratory application scenarios, Hyar Biomedical, through the acquisition of Suzhou Kosing Biopharma Company Limited, has entered into the field of disposable plastic consumables, which is integrated deeply within the internet, big data, and other life science and medical digital technologies to meet the diversified needs of users while providing more IoT solutions to the global healthcare sector. Cloud connectivity for biomedical products and solutions to create an interstellar ecosystem. We will continue to explore the value of life and develop new technologies, improve people's lifetime well-being, and carry forward the ecosystem together.